Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the basics are ready. Update Bgmi and your phone OS, then close background apps to free RAM. Once done, open the in-game settings and go to Basic and Graphics. You'll change input and camera options that influence screen drift. Make sure touch sensitivity is set conservative and turn off any third-party overlays. I explain why. Drift often comes from sensor or sensitivity mismatches, so stabilizing software and resources reduces unintended camera movement. Next, you refine in-game controls. Lower camera and ADS sensitivity in small increments, then test in the training range. This directly reduces screen motion. If you use a gyroscope, either disable it or run the calibration tool so the sensor centers correctly. Also enable smoothing and aim assist tweaks where offered, because they filter jitter. Once you've adjusted, play short sessions to confirm stability. If movement persists, isolate whether touch or sensor is the culprit by toggling each feature separately. To finalize, clear the game cache and restart the device. This removes corrupted temporary files that can cause drift. If you still see screen movement, reinstall Bgmi and test with another input method like a controller to determine hardware versus software causes. Make sure to back up settings first. One key troubleshooting tip: collect logs and take short video clips of the issue before contacting support. This lets technicians reproduce the problem and speeds up a fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.